I have a 76-year-old client, and she come to me and she had a severe curvature on her upper back, and her head was as far forward as a person's possibly could be. She was tense. She walked with a cane. She was very unsteady. I had to help her up on my table, my first few visits. So along the way, her posture, well, she has the curve in her back still, but I got to watch her rib cage open up like this because she had breathing issues, digestive issues, frequent urinary tract infections, and other sicknesses that was leading to hospital visits for weeks and months at a time.
Wow.
So, and she was just very negative, and she was in pain and she was miserable. She was losing weight. She couldn't gain weight. So after several sessions, like, her breathing got better, her energy. Now, right at first, she told her daughter her mind was just racing. She thought it was anxiety, and so we talked again about releasing the pause, and it's opening up that flow. So that quickly went to the rest of her body. So now she's gaining weight. She's standing up straighter. She can put her shoulders back now. She can actually look up. She was not able to look up before. She's cooking in her kitchen. She's painting her nails again. She no longer needs her cane. She hops up on my table like a little kid would. She still has a little issues, but from the first time, it's been just spectacular. And this lady has just blown my mind, and I'm sold. I was sold on the first person I touched. I'm sold on her. We're going to continue going to see how much better she can get. It's just truly amazing how these bodies are just transforming, and the life. Like, she has the twinkle in her eyes. She smiles more when I walk in, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful.
That's so beautiful. It's actually, it is, isn't it? Because you can be going one direction with more stiffness, more blockages, more pain, more disease, more illness. And it just takes us to go, hey, actually, how about we start going this way? Releasing the stress, releasing the blockages, moving towards more movement, more wellness, more happiness, more twinkles. It's like, let's not go that way. Come back this way. And then everything starts to change this way. It's so amazing.
Yes, and most people, I didn't even know myself this was possible.